Hello, I'm Sabra Tomb, the Director of Training Programs and Strategic Business Development at the University of Dayton School of Law. So we have integrated uCertify, the program management prep course, into our government contracting master in the study of law, into our upper level program management courses. So we teach three program management courses in our government contracting master's program. So program management one, two, and three, and our adjunct faculty for the program management who teaches the program management courses has integrated uCertify's program management prep course into his program management level two and three courses for his students to work through that content as they are progressing throughout the semester in an effort to better prepare them to take the program management certification. We have noticed that, well, students were asking for the prep course or a prep course to be integrated into our course content in the master's program because many of the students, like if they're in the program management career field, they need to take, specific exams, certification to obtain certain certifications to progress in their career. And so they were asking for us to be able to, for us to integrate uCertify's um, prep course into our semester long courses so that our students were then able to take those certification exams to progress in their career. So we had students asking for us. This is, I think the first semester that we fully integrated it into our classes. So I know that we're excited about it. The students are excited about it and looking forward to continuing with the relationship with uCertify. Very easy. uCertify made it incredibly, I think, simple for those of us who are new to the training modules. And uCertify also was willing to rearrange the
Mhm.
content to meet our needs for our students.
Great.
And so we were able to, I believe, remove some content that we did not feel was necessary for our students, and then rearrange the order in which the content was taught, which is absolutely necessary if we are going to align the prep material with our course content. And I was so impressed with how easy uCertify was to work with and how um, easy they were to get a hold of and how promptly they responded to our issues, if we, login issues or whatever it was, but incredibly easy to work with. Yeah, I think so. I don't teach the course that the content is included in, but I will say that including the prep course material has been beneficial because we shifted the entire master's degree program to half of our content being asynchronous, which the students can do that, use or view those videos, work on that content at any time throughout the semester, so long as they're meeting the deadlines for the homework assignments. And so I know adding in the Use Certifies um, prep content was extremely beneficial as we were realigning and redeveloping the courses to more of an asynchronous model.